Hello everyone, and welcome back to Sons of the Forest. Last time we left off, Jeff decided to destroy our house, so I'm not sure what we're going to do about that. I don't even really know where he's at. I think he's trying to get some sticks. Oh, there he is. Let's see what Jeff's up to today. Jeff? So, last episode I beat the crap out of that lady, and it's anyways, last episode I beat the crap out of that lady and I saw a short that apparently you can marry her, so I don't know exactly how she ties into the story, so I'm gonna try to figure that out at some point. You know, have a beautiful marriage out here in the wilderness, I guess. Jeff will be the person to announce it and let's get married. But yeah, I think we need to... Oh my god, they just keep coming. You freaking bastard! Ah. Hey. Damn. Jeff, we need more spears. Um... I think I need to tell him to finish that. Jeff. Let's see. Nope. Think you can handle that? Yeah. Oh, I am starving, by the way. Gee. Illustrate that. A little bit more of that. So I feel, I'm guessing, go ahead, some more water. Yep. Go ahead, put that over here. Light this fire. Some clean water. Let's see. I need to see. I think soon I want to make a journey to this first point of interest over here and see what that's all about. I do need to do some exploring because, you know, there's probably a lot of useful things I'm missing out on. Some good crafting ideas and stuff. While Jeff finished up the log construction. Yeah, I think I might just go ahead and head out now. Let's go ahead and take the night V. Yep. It's gonna be a journey. Ooh, this thing is a little too quick. Come on. Easy does it. Easy does it. Make the jump. Ooh, okay. There we go. Nicely does it. Oh. Nicely does it. Which way am I looking? Okay. Oh. I just wanted to go straight. There we go. Minimal adjustments. There we go. Now we're getting somewhere. Just tap. Okay. Turn right here. Oh. Okay. Does this thing ever run out of battery, I wonder? Probably, right? Oh. Walker! Oh, I think I just ruined it. Well, it's gonna be on foot from here. Well, see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz. Because. Go ahead and get a whipping out, just in case. Just in case gotta light a fool up. Someone's in the woods. Up. Here we go. Oh. It's making a beeping noise. Must be getting close. I don't really see anything. Let me put the map away. Oh, so it'll stop beeping in my freaking ear. Okay, throw the rope down. What is this, the point of interest? Just some rope? Surely not, right? I think I need to go down here. It's like a cave or something. Let's see, I'll probably make this jump, right? Yeah, let's go. I don't really see anything. Can't just jump down here for no reason. Surely the point of interest wasn't just some rope, right? Maybe it was, I don't know. We do need rope for some crafting items, so maybe that's what it's for. I'll go back up here and put my map out. Not seeing anything. Oh. So what am I supposed to do about that? I think I need to go up there and cut that rope. I think. Maybe he's got a pistol on him. Like the rest of these walkers. Let's see here. Should be able to just like cut this or something, right? Nope. Nope. There it goes. There we go. Just yep. Oh God. What'd you have for me? GPS locator. With a flashlight. Cool. Alrighty. So what is this GPS thing? Oh. Oh, this is like a marker thing, right? Or oh, okay. Wait. Confused. Just to make some marks on the map, I guess? Not sure. Maybe he'll tell me about it in the inventory. Huh. Not sure. Let's go back to Kev. See what he's up to. There's a cave nearby. I could go check that out. Probably need to find a way to get some more help though. Before I walk into somebody. Just be straight this way. I really want to build a treehouse too. But I don't know if we're there yet. Oh, there's something over here. Oh, might be. Thought I lost you, man. Thought you was a goner. Come on. Come on. Let's go follow this trail home. Doo, 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 doo. This thing flies, man. Watch out, deer. I really want a bow and arrow, but I don't know if I can make that stuff yet. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, God. Okay. That just happened. Alright. Back at home base. Alrighty, finish up the line. Oh, God. That's a fresh... Oh, what the... What am I? I'm dying. Am I on fire? Oh, God. Whew. That was close. Too close. Okay. Need to get a little snacky snack. I do like me some turtle, but I think today I'll actually cook a fish because I'm standing on the water right now. Let's go. Alright, let's go ahead and collect me another one. Oh, right in the face. Get some. Turtle, my favorite. My favorite is turtle. Oops. Oops, 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 oops. None of that. Yeah, let's make some boiled meat. Not the best, but better than nothing, right? Kev. Or Kev. Jeff. His name is Jeff, not Kev. I need you to... Logs. Give me some logs. Fill the holder. There we go. And while he does that, I'm going to find out... Oh. First we need to fix the fire. Let's see. Gotta be some sticks around here somewhere. There we go. Get this fire back up and running. I lose my meat? What the hell? That sucks. Oh, the cracking. Let's see. I do have a rope now. I could build that. I could. Well, I like that one even more though. And this one you don't even need a rope. I don't know how that works though. Oh, look at this. Miss Word Kev's gonna freaking is that as high as it goes? Probably, right? Oh. I can only rotate it one way, okay. Makes sense. And this is the perfect tree, right? There. Beautiful. How do I add on to it? Is there a way to... Okay, well. Looking good, Kev, looking good. Go ahead and slap one of these suckers in there. Boink. 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 And boink. Okay, we'll let him continue filling that up, and then we'll come back to that. do still need some food. I don't know what happened with that meat. It kind of screwed me over on that, huh? Oh, I love me some bird. Come here. I don't think I can kill him. Need a bow and arrow so bad. I need to start collecting these like... Oh god. Don't eat that. Guess you won't know if it's bad till you try it, I guess. So can I make... Oh, wrong thing. Can I make... I don't think it's in this... let's see, tools. Or utility. So yeah, I think I have to do it from the inventory menu. Got a can opener. What is this thing? Oh, we got a little light. That's pretty cool. So is there no way to see... Oh, a zip line. Got a tarp left. Man, I really want to make a bow and arrow. I wonder if I need... Oh, what was happening? Let's see. I mean, a bow and arrow, you probably just need, like, stick and some rope, right? Damn! Too fast! Let me see if I can try to... Oh! Oh, here we go, crafted bow. Let's see. Wait, what is it? Rope. This. And 2 sticks. 2 sticks, 2 sticks. Okay, let's get it. Check me out, dude. How do I make arrows? I imagine you could probably just sharpen sticks, right? Or something like that. You need like something to be some rocks and this. Let's see here. Well, it's not gonna make us arrows then. What about a repair tool? No. Oh, here we go, stone arrow. And then we'll need, so we need, and then 2 leaves. Let's see. Do I not have any leaves here? Okay, I guess I need to get some leaves. My little handy dandy axe here. I'm not sure if it's this kind of leaf or a different kind. I think it might be a feather actually. Not sure though. Let's see if this works. Fireweed. I don't even see no leaves here. Might have to look it up. So I'm not sure. Yeah, I do not know. Anyways, it was like a rock. This. Yeah, leaves, but I don't see any leaves. I think it's a... Not sure. What the... Try to take a look around. We might have to kill... What was this? Horsetail seed. There ain't really any like chickens or anything around here that I know of. But what about ducks? Probably killed ducks. Atta boy Jeff, keep it going. Oh, but how are we gonna kill him? So it won't let me. It's not let you arm anything. Once I just hit. Oh, I got an idea. Just hit a nasty spear shot on him. Come here. Right there. Oh, what? Dude, that was on the freaking money. Oh, I just got cheated. Let's see here. Okay, these are good for me. Let's eat these. I guess let's do some exploring. Maybe we'll find something that'll help us. Just pick a direction and go, I guess, right? We will plot the map. Could go live down by the beach. Be more open. Oh, here we go. Little campground with some goodies, hopefully. Some flares. Duct tape, wire. Okay. A good old sticky. Batteries. A solar panel. So what is this? Measuring the land out here, eh? Measuring the land, eh? Don't knock until you try 'em. Okay. Let's just keep going. Screw it. We need supplies if we're gonna live, lad. Must say this game has been a lot more fun than I thought it would be. Considering I've only watched people play the first one. And I really wanted to play it, but I didn't have a PC at the time, so now being able to play this is actually a lot of fun. A lot more fun than I thought I would have. Oh god. What in the world was that? The fuck away from me, bitch! I hate you. Come here. No, don't you run from me. You fucking bastard. Uh-oh, we're surrounded. I think those things are actually kind of scarier than the regular people. It's real creepy. Just gonna run away. Whatever. Guess we could head out to this mark if I... Well, I might need a boat to get there, huh? It's gonna be a long walk back, boys. A long walk back. It's kind of look for... There's something on the water out there. It's like red. Kind of cool to live down here. It's not a bad little spot. I'll probably end up moving eventually. In my area, it's kind of like real starter base type of vibes. I really like it down here. It's a nice little house, but it'll be kind of a journey to get wood and stuff. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just kind of hanging out. Look at this though. That's like I can build like right in this area, and then put like some storage areas right along here. Have him bring in the storage while I build over here. It's not a bad idea. Not a bad idea at all. See what this stuff is all about right here. Yeah, I don't think I'll be able to get out to that area though, just by swimming, but I'm not sure. It's like directly out in the ocean. I'm pretty sure it's that boat out there, or whatever that is. guess I'm gonna go for it. Screw it, right? If I die, I die, I guess. As long as there ain't no sharks. It's like dead guy? What is this? Oh, it's just some wood. Can't read my map out here either, so I guess I'm just gonna have to guesstimate which way to go. I have a feeling I'm gonna die. Almost there, baby. Come on. Push it, push it, push it. What is this thing? Like some kind of like base or something. It's gonna suck if I get all the way out here and then oh, it's like it's a rescue ref thing. I think that's what it looks like. Uh-oh, here we go. Don't tell me I swam all the way out here for a toothbrush. Ooh, where's the... Oh, and a gun. Dude. Check it out. Hell yeah. Let's test it out. Come here. Bam! Oh, baby! Let's go! Alright, let's see what he's got. What's with this GPS locator stuff, man? I don't get it. Whatever. What else we got? We got oars. Oh, okay, I guess I'm not picking up the oars then. Got an MRE mill. Don't mind if I do. Do not mind if I do, baby. All these flares. Alright, I think that's everything. So is there like a way to quick bar menu stuff? So I don't have to, or do I have to just open this every time? Let's see, where's my pistol in the crate? Oh, there it is right there. 3D printed arrow, sticky bomb. Printer resin. Got some wire. What we'll do with wire. A lot of arrow stuff. I bet the armor's pretty cool. Remove that. Let's see. And then we do like the flashlight. Oh. You make a flashlight with a flashlight? Or does it just repair it? Okay, we got some ammo there. I guess we can't craft ammo. We'll just have to make it. Okay. Let's see. Long way home, boys. Let's make the journey. Well, at least now we have a whipping. A real whipping. Oh, God. No! That's it, huh? GG's. Psych! Well, darn. At least we know what's out there, but I think I might have to make a boat next time. Dang. Dang it, dude. I think the plan is to go live down by the beach. Or make like a secondary home there. Maybe it doesn't even have to be a perma base, but hey. Oh my god. I'm so tired of these freaking things, dude. Yeah, I think the problem is we kinda got like so much going on already. here that I don't want to move, but I don't really know what else I can expand on, so to speak. Oh, I could go down, live by the beach, and yeah, that's it. We're moving. Come on, Jeff. It's moving day. You follow me? Yeah, yeah. Alright. Let's go. Stupid. Get away from me, dude. Ah ha ha. That's what you get. I need to eat me some food first. Hey, hey. Easy. Easy, girl, easy. Oh, there she goes. I wonder what would happen if I just follow her. I don't know. We'll figure that out later, Jeff. That's my baby mama right there. You understand? Do you understand, Jeff? Alright. Good. Oh, I can make Jeff go get me some food. And drop here. Yeah, that a boy. Go gather some sticks. Make this fire a lot better. Yeah. Bad thing about dying and having to come back to this save point is that I still haven't explored that way. I think I'll just go ahead and make my beach base, and then I'll come back to that later because it wasn't really that important, to be honest. Yeah, we'll do that. Can I just manually add by equipping this? Okay, I guess not. Okay, so I can just eat it like this. Hey, look at that. Let's go ahead and fill that baby back up with some water. Some water. Guess now that... Oh, dude. He has a fishing pole? What was he using to... Hey! You son of a bitch. Oh no, I'm not letting that shit slide. Motherfucking son of a bitch. Oh, he's dropping feathers. Ah, okay. So I can lure these suckers in. And then, the rock down, dude. Rock down. I can sucker them in. Oh, I really need to make some traps, dude. And that way, I could, I don't know, I just think it'd be cool. Yeah. Okay, Jeff. You're doing a great job. Let's go get started on the main base here, baby. Alright, come on. Pull out my little handy dandy. I do think it'd be kind of cool to live in the snow though, but I'm not sure about how the living conditions would be, so I think for now we'll just live on the beach for this playthrough, and then, or at least that's how we get started off on the main base. We'd always make another home. No big deal, right? I think I really want to do like a lot with this. Like have stone paths and like have a specific storage area, probably a tree base. Oh yeah, I can go get this loot again, and yeah, go from there. Oh, but I do know what one thing we did get from over there that was pretty important was the rope that we collected. So we will need it for a treehouse base, but we could probably find some somewhere else, I guess. Not sure though. We'll just have to figure it out. Yeah, that's everything from here. Come on, Kev. I'm gonna go down this way first. like follow the stream. Maybe there's some more loot I can find somewhere. Like I said, we really need that rope if we're gonna build a treehouse, and I'm not sure if there's a way to craft it, or if we just kind of like if there's like an improvised rope, or we just have to find it. So I imagine if you, like things like duct tape and stuff is kind of like limited supply, so there's got to be like substitutes if you want to like continue playing through and stuff. But I don't know. Let's go over this way. Really no hurry to get down there, to be honest. I wonder if I need the simple tent to actually save, or if I can just do it inside of like a tree shelter, if I can make like a bed or something. I don't know. What's this? Oh, nice. Like stuff like this. Like I don't think we can find tarps like anywhere else. But I guess we'll find out. Nice rock. Oh, got some more creepy crawlers out here. Let's try to get on. Get on out of here. Eeny, miny, miny, mo. This way. I kind of hear my. Oh, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up. We've got some business to handle. Oh, they got weapons. Oh God. Do a sneak attack. Too late. Yeah. Oh shit. Oh fuck. Bad idea. Jeff, take care of it. Handle that business. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh no. Stay down, bitch. This was a bad idea. We just gotta. Ooh, don't let him hit me. Oh my God. Oh no. Damn it, man. Uh-oh. What is happening? Oh no, they're gonna eat me, aren't they? Like escape or something? What's happening? Am I just gonna have to wait until I die? Yeah. What? What? Oh. Okay. Alright. Everything's gonna be alright. Hey! Jeffy. Oh shit. Just give me this, whatever this is, and let's go. I want the blue box too. And the rope. Did y'all stop fucking throwing shit at me? Hold on. You wanna play? Let's play! What's insecure? Damn it. Stay still. Damn it. There we go. No! Oh, dude. Oh, I think I'm actually dead this time. Damn it, man. Crap. Okay. This time we're gonna be more prepared. I'll make bow and arrow. Yeah. Crazy. Where baby mama at? There she is. Run, run away. Baby, baby, baby. You don't have to be afraid. You want me to take care of you? I missed. Hey, 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 hey. It's okay. It's okay. Hey, 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 hey. Baby, where are you going? I'm not letting you leave me again. Baby, no. Damn. Damn, damn, damn. What are we gonna do without our baby mama, Tama Lama, Thomas, little Lama? Yeah, Jeff, just, you know, do whatever the hell you want, man. Let's see. I'm gonna make him get fish and drop him here. I'm gonna bait some eagles and birds to come down. That way we can get that up and rolling. Get us some arrows, and we'll go find our way back to that little camp, and then we'll use those supplies to make our main base on the beach. And yeah, I think that's the play. In the meantime, I need to get supplies to make those arrows. Let's see, I should have maybe a couple sticks. One stick, yeah, one stick. Let's do this. Do-do-do-do-do. Get some leaves. Oh, I need to eat. I need to eat, my friend. Ugh. Put that on there. Close that up. I think I need to let this cook. So, whatever. We're just gonna eat it. It'll be alright. Okey-dokey. Just like so. And then we need some more sticks. And then we need some rocks. Ooh. We don't have any rope, and I think we need rope to make the bow. Let's see. Yes, we do need rope. Okay. It's gonna be a little bit of a problem. I'm gonna kill this freaking bastard over there. Damn you. Get the fuck out of here. You're still breathing. What do I even do with these guys? Oh, I bet I can put them on like a, I bet I know. I bet I can use them for like their skin and stuff. Or not their skin, but their like hides. Even though they don't. I don't know. I don't know. Don't get my fish, man. Oh fuck. Oh yeah, where are you gonna go now? Where are you gonna go now? Huh? 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 Come here. That's right. You better run. We need like a bird to come down. Can I make like a trap for it? Let's see, traps. Traps. We got fish trap, small animal trap, bone maker trap, fly swatter trap, spring trap, hokey pokey trap, and a silent alarm. So how do I lure the birds in? I need their feathers to make arrows. Still, let's see, maybe it'll work over here better. There we go. Perfecto, perfecto. Is there like a, let's see, what is this? Storage, utility, gardening. Gardening could be interesting. Let's go to switch modes and go to the other page. Let's see, fire, stick structures.